There is no particular time and date where we can put up saying this many times. We want you to visualize as much as possible till you match the non-physical vibration. That is very, very important, because there we cannot draw any particular mathematics and say 10 days, 15 days, 20 days. No, because sometimes your belief system comes in way. Sometimes your unconscious belief systems or your unaware belief system, where somebody gives an input and it goes so strong in your mind and you start believing it may not happen, it may not happen. All those unwanted belief systems are coming in way for some time. So till you overcome all that, you should feel in every cell of your body that what you want is already coming, and you should be so ready. It should feel like a next logical step for you. It should feel that I cannot do anything apart from that. So you should reach a vibration where that is a next logical step for you. And that is the time manifestation happens very easily. So that might take, because a lot of humans have this mindset saying few things are very small to do, few things are very big to do. But there is no big or small. As per as the universe is concerned, the law of attraction is concerned, wherever your focus goes, that is what you attract. So it doesn't weigh, as it is as easy as manifesting 1,000 rupees to manifesting 1,000 crores as well. But the only thing which is stopping humans is you believe 1,000 rupees is very easy and 1,000 crores is very difficult. Nobody has done that. I have not seen in my lifetime, and nobody in my family. So you have got this belief system saying it is not easy. But when your mind believes that, when you really in every cell of your body you believe that it is possible and universe can find a way for you, it becomes easy. And whenever you feel it is next logical step for you and this is what is going to happen next, that is the time the manifestation happens. And you don't have to wait for the manifestation to happen, the physical manifestation to happen for you to enjoy or start living that world. You can always start it now. The moment you shoot a desire, universe takes it. We are already living that. So you will have to walk up the stairs and come to us and enjoy your physical manifestation. How long does it take is how long you take to flip the belief system, that much time it needs for the manifestation as well.
So if we come to a point where we just know the next logical step is that this is going to be in our experience, can we then let go and not visualize anymore? Or do we still have to visualize even after that?
You are not visualizing things because you want to deliberately do something about it. You are visualizing things because you love to do it. It is very, very different when you really want to do something, because there again your focus will be on the lack side only. Everything is like you one side feel you are focusing on the wantingness, but most of the time people focus on the lack only. When you feel that I have to visualize for these many days, and today I feel it's done and I'm going to stop visualization, that means you are trying to make the process happen. In that process, it is very difficult for you to manifest because you are unconsciously vibrating on the lack side of it. Visualize because it feels good to you. Whenever you ask for that beautiful car and when the car is already delivered to you, wouldn't you start living the life like that? You don't have to pretend anything when you really have the car in the garage. So you usually like it, you manifest it, you like it, you enjoy it, you take for a drive, you go wherever you want, you enjoy, you wash your car. So you live the moment actually. So same thing we want you to do in the visualization also, not to try to make something happen. You are not doing the process because you want to forcefully make something happen. You're doing it because you are as if feeling you are living those moments. So start living those moments vibrationally by visualization. So the universe will start giving you that experience when you hit the non-physical vibration. So it is easy to manifest anything in your life. Only thing is you will have to believe.